Hello everyone, friends. Below here. Today I'll show you how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. There are two ways to do this. First, you can open the Photos app. At the bottom, if you scroll down to Recently Deleted, you can go into that folder and restore your photos. The second way is to use any browser. Type in iCloud, go to the first link and click Sign In. Now log into your account. Okay. Here you'll find photos that may still be on iCloud but were already deleted from your phone. There. So here you have data recovery options, and you can check if there's anything you can restore. That's it. This was Below. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck everyone. See you later.